Hey guys, welcome back to my space on the internet. This is your girl Shuga, and I am an Abuja YouTuber based right here in Abuja, Nigeria. Now, if this is your first time of stopping by my YouTube channel or seeing this beautiful face, guys, hit the subscribe button below to be a part of this amazing family. Do not forget to turn on the bell notifications so that you get notified whenever any interesting, cool, detailed video is up on this channel. Okay, you guys. Now, in a previous video, I did make a detailed review of the Dudu Osun black soap. In that video, I shared with you everything you need to know about Dudu Osun black soap, where it was produced, the ingredients it was produced with, the benefits, okay, that you derive from using this product, and I also shared with you all the side effects that come with using the Dudu Osun black soap and how to manage these side effects or how to do away with them completely. You guys, that video is loaded. I'm going to leave it linked in the card here or here for you to see. I'm also going to leave a link to that video in the description box for you to go and check out. So in that video, I did promise you guys that I was going to come back here to share with you the different ways that you can actually identify the original Dudu Osun black soap. Now, trust me, you guys, it's all in the packaging and it's all even in the soap itself, right inside the pack. Okay, I mean the main thing. So there is every reason for you to watch this video without skipping any single part of the video. Okay, you guys, please do not skip any part. Help my life and help yourself to understand everything I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. But first of all, the first thing I'm going to say, which is also something I mentioned in that other video, okay, is that there is a need for you to be empowered with the fact that Dudu Osun actually comes in 3 variants. Okay, yes. First one is the classic Dudu Osun black soap, which is the normal and familiar one that everybody knows, that is common in the market. That is the main Dudu Osun fragrance, like the very first one that gave birth to the other variants that we have. Now, the second variant of the Dudu Osun black soap is the fresh Dudu Osun black soap. Now, what this means is that Dudu Osun has decided to, put their customers or their consumers, their end users into consideration. There are people who will not use soaps or creams except it is a bit perfumed. Personally, I always enjoy whenever I use a soap, okay, or a cream, that after using it you can literally feel the scent, and it is a sweet, beautiful, refreshing aroma or fragrance, okay, on my body. Like, you will literally not be able to tell if I use a perfume, an actual perfume, or if it is the perfume from my beauty product that I have used. And that is one good thing that Dudu Osun put into consideration, when they were making this second variant, which is the fresh variant. They added some fragrance. So if you are somebody who likes to have perfume, a little fragrance, a little sweet, amazing smell in your soaps or in your creams, then you need to go for the fresh Dudu Osun variant. Okay, now the third Dudu Osun fragrance has been produced by the company and is currently in the market, is the fragrance-free variant. Now, I mean, just as the name implies, it means that this one does not contain any fragrance. So if you're somebody like me sometimes too, that does not particularly like my soap having all that fragrance, I mean, I can always use my deodorant, my body spray, my body mist, or my perfume oils, or my perfumes later on. So if you're somebody who does not particularly like fragrance or using fragrance products, okay, then the fragrance-free variant of Dudu Osun black soap is going to work perfectly for you. Now, do all these 3 still achieve the same thing? Yes, the only difference is that addition, okay, to what it used to be before. The classic, which is the normal Dudu Osun black soap before, and then they added the one with a little extra fragrance, and then the other one where they eliminated completely every fragrance, every sort of perfume that comes in the soap. That is the only difference. The quality of the soap is still the same. The durability of the soap is still the same. The benefit that it promises is still the same. The side effect is still the same. So it is still the same soap. Now, with that being said, you guys, we are going to head straight into the main part of this video, which is the different ways that you can identify the original Dudu Osun black soap. Let's go there. Now, the very first way that you can identify the original Dudu Osun black soap, especially for the one with the old packaging, okay, because trust me, there are still some of the old packaged ones in the market, okay, and they are still very effective. Nothing is wrong with them, but you just need to be sure that what you actually have also is the original. Now, the way to see that or to identify that is to look out for the box, okay. At the front of the box, there is a leaf shape cut out from the box so that you can actually see the soap and see what is inside. All right, and do not forget that every Dudu Osun black soap, of course, this applies to the old and the new packaging, always comes with a nylon inside. Yes, aside from the packet itself, when you remove the soap from the packet, it's always in a nylon that you have to break open. Okay, it is always in a sealed nylon that you have to break open in order for you to access your soap. All right. Another very key thing that you need to look out for is the brand name. Okay, yes, the brand name of the Dudu Osun black soap on the pack of the soap and in the soap itself. So on the pack of the soap, when you look at that O, okay, in tropical, is the shape of an orange sun, not yellow sun. If you see yellow sun, it means that what you have is fake. The O is a combination of an orange colored sun with a palm tree. The palm tree is going to stand out, okay, almost making it look like it is not an O again. But of course, look out for the O in tropical. If you do not see orange sun and you see yellow sun, or you see light yellow sun or deep yellow sun, then what you have is the fake Dudu Osun black. Now another way that you can identify the original Dudu Osun black soap is by looking at the wrapper. Now remember that I said that every single packaging of Dudu Osun black soap always comes in a nylon aside from the box. Okay, when you open the box and bring out the soap inside, the soap itself is usually sealed in a transparent white nylon, basically. Okay, you guys, transparent white nylon. I don't even know if that makes sense, but yeah. Now, if you look at that wrapper very well, you're going to notice the words tropical natural written entirely all over the nylon. And remember that you still watch out for the orange shaped some, but of course, I mean, because it is transparent, they might not, it's usually in black and white. Okay, so you might not see the orange color, but remember that you will see the O that contains a palm tree on it, and that tells you that what you have is the original Dudu Osun black soap. And then another way that you can know if what you have is the original Dudu Osun black soap is for you, my darling, to look at the soap itself. Yes, I mean, they came prepared because they knew that there are a lot of people out there that are always adulterating people's, goods. All right, so they did a good job at that. So when you look at the soap itself, you're also going to see the word tropical embedded or imprinted on the soap itself. These are just the basic major telltale signs that is going to let you know that what you have is the original. If any of this thing is missing at any point, okay, in the soap that you have, then what you've gotten is the fake one. Now, another quick way to know if what you have is the original Dudu Osun black soap is for you to look out for the I in tropical. Yes, just like the O, TROPI, okay? That I in tropical is dotted with a leaf. You know how you write I and you small letter I and you dot it, okay? Instead of the normal dot, they actually use a leaf. That leaf shape that is cut out from the old packaging is what they used to dot the I. So look out for that. You do not see it dotted. Okay, if it is dotted normally like normal English language, then what you have is the fake Dudu Osun black soap. But if you see that it is dotted with a leaf, then what you definitely have is the original Dudu Osun black soap. And finally, and very importantly, okay, let me not say finally, okay, let me call this second to the last. The last one is going to be a bonus, okay, is that you need to look out for a scratch panel. And now I know that most of the times when we see scratch panel, we just have this confirmation inside of us that for it to have a scratch panel, it has to be original. My darling, don't try it, okay? So long as there's a scratch panel there, please scratch it. Okay, of course, after you've paid for it, and now you will scratch that scratch panel and you will send the code that is written there to the number that you need to send it to, and it is toll free. It means it is free of charge. You don't need to pay. They are not deducting ₦4 from your account balance just to send you the text message. Okay, what that does is that when you send it, it actually sends you back a feedback message to tell you if what you have is the original Dudu Osun black soap. Now, if you get a response, then it means what you have is the original. If you do not get a response, it means it is fake and it is scammers and adulterators that have sold you what you have as Dudu Osun black soap. Finally, you guys, one very important way that you need to look out for to know the original Dudu Osun black soap, you guys, is to visit the website of this company. You guys, when I was talking about the review of the Dudu Osun black soap, I did mention that one of the best things about them is that they have a website and they have contact, that you can use to reach them directly if you have questions, if you have feedback that you need to give to the producers or the manufacturers directly. They have their website for you to go and check out. So even these things I've said, you want to confirm and verify so that you know that I'm doing my homework very well, okay? And I'm meditating very well, okay? I'm good at this thing that I'm doing right now. Go over to their website. You're going to see everything you need to know about their product, the variants they have, the benefits of the soap, and every other things that you may have, okay? Of course, you might find that there are some things you might not get answers to directly on the website, except you want to start contacting them, and which is the reason why a video like this is made for you, okay? Don't mention. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did find it helpful, please share this video get us to our next milestone, in our watch hours, on our subscriber count. Until I come your way next time in my very next video, you guys, this is simply Sugar signing out.